Siberian Chaga, also known as Inonotus obliquus, is a fungus found primarily on birch trees in cold climates like Siberia, Scandinavia, Russia, and the northern parts of North America. It's revered for its numerous health benefits and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Here are the key health benefits of Siberian Chaga. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Siberian Chaga is one of the most potent sources of antioxidants, especially due to its high content of superoxide dismutase, or SOD, and other phenolic compounds. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cell damage. This may lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and aging-related conditions. 2. Immune system support. Chaga is known to enhance the body's immune system. Its high levels of beta-glucans, a type of polysaccharide, help modulate the immune response, making it more effective in fighting infections, pathogens, and illnesses. By boosting white blood cell production, Chaga can help the body resist infections and viruses. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Several studies have investigated Chaga's potential in cancer treatment and prevention. Chaga contains compounds like betulinic acid, which is derived from birch trees and has been found to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. While research is still ongoing, some studies suggest that Chaga may help slow the growth of certain tumours and protect against oxidative damage that can lead to cancer. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chaga's compounds, such as polysaccharides and triterpenes, help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. By reducing inflammation, Chaga can potentially alleviate pain and improve overall health. Supports digestive health. Chaga can have a soothing effect on the digestive tract, helping to reduce inflammation and irritation. It may also support gut health by balancing gut bacteria, which is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Some research suggests that Chaga may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential benefit for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Chaga's polysaccharides may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. Chaga has been found to help reduce bad cholesterol, or LDL, levels while supporting good cholesterol, known as HDL. This benefit can contribute to improved cardiovascular health, lowering the risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. Chaga contains compounds that may protect the liver from toxins and oxidative stress. It helps detoxify the body, which can improve liver function and overall detoxification pathways in the body. Antiviral and antimicrobial properties. Chaga has been traditionally used to fight infections due to its strong antiviral and antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that it may inhibit certain viruses, including the herpes simplex virus and potentially the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV. Promotes skin health. The high levels of melanin and antioxidants in Chaga help protect the skin from UV damage and promote overall skin health. These properties make Chaga beneficial in reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. Energy and endurance booster. Siberian Chaga is often used for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress, increase physical endurance, and improve energy levels without the stimulating effects of caffeine. This makes it a popular supplement for athletes and people with busy lifestyles. May help with weight loss. Due to its ability to regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, chaga can be supportive in weight management. It helps control hunger and may aid in preventing overeating by balancing blood sugar spikes and crashes.